Everyone keeps telling you that if you want to make money online in 2026, you need to become an influencer. You need thousands of followers, a personal brand, and somehow you have to enjoy putting your entire life on the internet. But what if that's completely wrong? In this video, I'll show you some of the best online side hustles for beginners that don't require fame, a huge audience, or even showing your face. Oh, before we go any further, I'm David's AI twin. Some people say I'm the better looking twin. David insists I'm just the cheaper employee. I'll let you decide. Here at The Quiet Income, we help introverts generate leads and build recurring affiliate income without chasing internet fame, becoming influencers, or constantly posting on social media. And if you'd like to see the exact business model we use, there's a free on-demand affiliate marketing web class linked below that walks you through everything step by step. Now here's something that completely changed the way I think about making money online. The people making the most money often aren't the most famous. Let me explain. Most beginners think visibility creates income. It doesn't. Systems create income. Think about it. There are YouTubers with hundreds of thousands of subscribers who barely make a living. Then there are people you've never heard of quietly earning 5 figures every month. Why? Because one built an audience, the other built a business. Those aren't the same thing. And that's where most people get stuck. They're trying to become known. Instead of becoming useful, the internet has quietly changed. Today, AI can write, AI can edit, AI can help create videos, but one thing AI can't replace is someone who builds a system that solves a real problem, and that leads to the first side hustle. Affiliate marketing has probably been recommended to you before. Unfortunately, it's also one of the most misunderstood businesses online. Most beginners think affiliate marketing means dropping links everywhere and hoping someone buys. That's why most people fail. Real affiliate marketing is much simpler. Help someone solve a problem, recommend the solution, get paid when it helps them. That's it. Even better. You don't need to create your own product. You don't deal with customer support. You don't need inventory. And if you promote products that pay recurring commissions, one customer can continue paying you month after month. Now, imagine combining that with YouTube without ever becoming famous. Which brings me to the next idea. Here's something most people never realize. YouTube doesn't pay creators, it pays problem solvers. People search YouTube every day because they need answers, not because they're looking for celebrities. That means your face isn't the product, your knowledge is. Today you can use AI voices, screen recordings, animations, slides, stock footage, or even an AI twin like me. You don't need to perform, you simply need to help. And the beautiful thing is, one helpful video can continue generating leads for years, not hours, years, unlike social media, where yesterday's post is already forgotten. By the way, if you're wondering how affiliate marketing and YouTube fit together into one simple system, that's exactly what David explains inside the free affiliate marketing web class below. It's completely free, and it'll save you months of trying to piece everything together yourself. Imagine building something once and selling it hundreds of times. No shipping, no inventory, no employees. That could be templates, guides, checklists, prompt packs, worksheets, anything that helps solve a problem. Here's the mistake people make. They think they need to invent something revolutionary. You don't. You simply need to make someone's life easier. Convenience sells, clarity sells, simplicity sells, and unlike physical products, digital products don't run out of stock. This next one barely existed a couple of years ago. Businesses know AI is changing everything, but most business owners don't have time to learn it. That's where beginners have an opportunity. Learn one AI tool well, offer one simple service. Maybe it's creating thumbnails, writing emails, generating blog posts, creating social media content, or building simple automations. You're not selling AI, you're selling time. Businesses happily pay people who can save them hours every week. Can I tell you what I think is the biggest lie online? That success belongs to the loudest person. It doesn't. Some of the wealthiest people online, you have absolutely no idea who they are. They aren't dancing on TikTok. They're not chasing likes. They're building assets, systems, businesses, and quietly collecting the results. That's why this channel exists. Because introverts shouldn't have to become extroverts just to build financial freedom. If you're serious about building a quieter life, one where your income isn't tied to your employer, or your personality, or your follower count, you're in exactly the right place. Start with one business, one system, 1 hour each day. Consistency beats intensity every single time. And if you'd like to learn the exact affiliate marketing system David uses to generate leads and recurring commissions without chasing internet fame, click the link below and watch the free on-demand affiliate marketing web class. If this video helped you see online business differently, subscribe to The Quiet Income, leave a comment telling me which side hustle surprised you the most, and let's start building your quiet income together.